One day on a cold, weary night, one green Bionicle by the name of Gresh is just walking in his background. Well, not background, backyard. Do 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 do. See? 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 Wait? Alright. What? What the? Man, I'm sure it's nothing. See? Stupid imagination of mine. What? This is starting to creep me out. Something must be here. I can feel it. It's not my imagination, that's for sure. Oh well, I'll just get back to walking. I feel pretty something's close. Done. It's a waxy. I wish there was something to save me. What's that falling from the sky? Dun 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 dun. Dun. What? Just some random sword lying around. Oh well, I finally have a chance to fight this stink. Yeah, as I was saying, I finally have the chance to fight the stinking Rakshi. Wait, he has 2 swords, I only have 1. Oh well, one's better than nothing, right? Whoa, this suit's going out of control. Oh no, I'm doing the splits. Oh no, he fixed himself, but the fight's not over yet. Hey Gresh! Incoming! Wait, it's my best friend Malin! Gosh, Malin, it's a good thing you came here at just the right time. Yeah, I noticed you're out here fighting this Rakshi. No! My fire claw fell off. I gotta get it back on. There. You maybe I could join. Whoopah! Huh? Roxy! Yahoo! Amy, Madam! Not right now, Grish. Madam! What? The armor fell off. What? Oh, so it did. Don't worry, I'll put it back on. There we go. Oh, that's much better. Hey, Grish, we should check our life counters. Why? I'm looking at yours. Down to 3%. Yeah, down to 3%. What level am I down to? Yeah. Hold on, just let me... Yeah. Looks like a number 3 as well. Oh no, we're both almost down. It's such a pity to us that Roxys don't have life counters. Ah, you want me specifically? Don't worry, Grish, I'll save ya. Aha! Boom! This time I'm getting it. Let's see. Oh, come on! Whoa! He has me. Oh! My armor fell off again. Don't worry, I'll get it. Yeah, here comes me, armor. No, you're not escaping my grasp. There we go. Don't worry, madam, I got this. Warrior sword power! I know, I can chop his head off! Come on! Whatcha? I did it! Madam! I did it! Oh, you already put your armor on. Yeah. Whatever. Anyways, I think we should get inside. Starting to get spooked out already. I agree with you. Let's take the dead Roxy corpse. Okay. So, on this night, the night of Halloween. Not really. Grish and Madam remain victorious for now. Don't you think so? Yeah.